We just got in the e-trike.
On our way to the airport. Well, eventually.
To the port.
Right.
To the port! Fast! Not really. We're not late. We're good. I'm so sad to leave.
I know, right?
17 days was not enough.
No, it wasn't.
We considered just staying our whole 30 days that you're allowed to stay in the Philippines without an extension. Just staying here, we're like,
Yeah.
all right, we should give another island a chance.
Yeah, we figured we should move along and try another island.
Yeah. Okay, so we got to the port and got off the trike, and right away there was a guy standing there selling us a ferry ticket, terminal fee, and a trike on the other side to the...
For the sticker for the other side, this one.
So we're gonna have the boat ticket,
the
terminal fee,
and the trike for the...
to the airport.
Nice.
Very good.
So just have a seat.
So this is the port terminal. Isn't it extra warm this morning?
It is particularly warm and humid.
I think it's the warmest it's been since we've been here.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Look at all that luggage.
Oh my gosh.
Are you jealous that we don't have a big suitcase? Leaving Boracay 2026. 1/26/26 is the date today.
That's pretentious.
Look at that water. Aw. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Just have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you. There's John. You see. Here we go. That was about, what, 12 minutes?
About that. Yeah, it wasn't very long. Nice, easy trip.
Let's get off this boat, and then we have a ticket, prepaid ticket for the tricycle to go to the airport. Okay, this is what we're going to the airport in. The front?
Yeah.
It's a trike with the motorcycle. You on schedule? What time is it? Do we know? So our
9:49.
9:49 a.m. and our flight is at
12:40.
oh,
Yeah, we're doing good.
we have 3 whole hours. Wow. Okay, we don't need those stickers anymore.
Nope.
We just got dropped off at a tricycle drop-off area right over there. Departures.
Oh, excellent.
So this is the airport. It's pretty small. What do we have here? So we have AirAsia counters. Do we need to even check? Oh, we need to find out if can we carry these on, or do we have to check in at the counter? We've checked in already.
I think we can carry them out.
Let's double check that.
Okay.
So we're going to check our backpacks. Look at this. Cebu Pacific. Online check-in. Bag drop. Let's fly, everyone. That's cute.
That's why I booked it.
That's so cute. Okay, so we checked in our backpacks just because it's easier. We're here for a few hours.
Yeah, we are.
So early today. And it doesn't look like there's a whole lot. I don't know, maybe there's a coffee shop, I'm not sure. Okay, so we just went through security. And there's more shops and stuff upstairs. So basically, there's gates 1 and 2 on this side.
Yes.
Gate 1, and this is gate 2. But we're gonna go see what's upstairs. More seats and shops. Okay, this is a nicer place to come sit.
Oh, yeah, way better.
I think maybe we can find a coffee or something to drink.
Yep.
The runway.
Uh-huh.
And that's what this is. from here, we are flying to an island called Cebu, which I guess a pretty big island, and a pretty big. Cebu City's big, but we're not staying there. We're immediately taking a ferry over to an island called Bohol. And then there's a tiny island that's part of Bohol, and that's called Panglao, and that's where we're staying for 4 nights. And bus number 30. We are on the bus, driving down the runway to our plane to board for our flight to Cebu. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Mactan Cebu International Airport.
We have arrived at the Cebu International Airport. And there was our plane and our captain. I've never seen this before.
I never have either.
They are unloading. There's cameras here at the baggage claim. And there's a camera where they're unloading all the baggage. Look at that.
That's pretty neat.
There goes one of our backpacks, John's. So this is the Cebu Airport. We just came out of arrivals. Ooh, there's a Shakey's Pizza.
Let's go.
So the Cebu Airport is actually on a teeny tiny island across from the main Cebu city and island. So then when we get to the pier, then we have to buy a ferry ticket to take us to Bohol. And that's supposed to be around a 2-hour ferry ride. And then when we get to the Bohol port, then we'll take a taxi or a trike over to a tinier island. It's part of like Bohol, but it's called Panglao. That's where we're going to stay for 4 nights. So it's kind of a journey to get there.
It is.
Okay, so we found ourselves in this situation. Grab kiosk and Grab app is not finding any drivers after 20 minutes. That is the line for taxis. And they don't have a lineup of taxis. They're waiting for them to come back. That is going to take at least an hour.
At least.
So then we asked around, I looked on Google Maps, and there's a city bus that we can try that'll take about an hour and a half to get to the pier, I think. What the heck, we're gonna try that. We take this bus all the way to the last stop. We get off, and then we get on the bus that says to Pier 3. Okay, we were lucky. We just sat down and the bus came up. So this is my bus. So we have our tickets. We get off at the last stop. Hey, we are on the bus. So as I mentioned before, this Cebu Airport is on a tiny little island. So we are now crossing over to the mainland, to the main Cebu city area. Okay, we got off the bus at the last stop,
The terminal.
And then we got a taxi. It's just a few minutes away to Pier 1. So we're gonna see if we can get on a fast boat from Pier 1. Okay, we got dropped off near the pier. Now we're going to figure out where to buy the tickets. It's up there, honey.
Yep.
Oh, there's a passenger terminal. So are we at 1 or 3? So, what's happening now?
Well, we're waiting in line. Hopefully, we'll get a ferry over to Bohol.
Yep.
Really, really busy.
Yeah. It's a busy place.
It is crazy.
Oh, there's the Pier 1, I see.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Is this fun?
It is a ton of fun. It is so busy
It's
here.
an adventure.
It sure is.
We have 2 business class tickets to Bohol
Yes.
at 5:40, and it's about an hour away.
Right.
And there's the passenger terminal, and I guess maybe we can go over there now?
Might as well.
All right. And it's going to be a 2-hour boat ride, so I guess maybe it's not the fastest one. Check in. So I guess there's an additional terminal fee for $25, because then you have to get through another little security line. Okay, we're inside the terminal waiting area. Here we go. Boarding is a little late, about 10 minutes. It has been a long travel day.
Boy,
Just to get from one island to another. We're sure hoping it's worth it.
Yeah.
It's literally going to be a 12-hour day by the time we get there.
It sure will.
Here is our upper level business class. It's pretty tiny. Okay, we have made it to...
Technically better than city.
Now we'll have to find a taxi to get us to the other little island. I think it's about a 30-minute drive to where we're staying on that island. All right, we were bombarded, of course, by the taxis. Here we go. All right, we were just dropped off. And here is our hotel, right in the middle of all of the action. Here we go to our room. Big stairs. Here is our room tour. It's huge.
It is.
Very basic and a very basic price. But right in the center of the action, and just a 5-minute walk, not even five minutes to the beach,
Yeah,
we
5
think.
minutes to the beach.
So we have a desk, a table, a TV, a little fridge, a little closet, 2 beds, and a bathroom, and a huge shower. And how much was this a night? We got this for 4 nights. I think it
200
was
something.
for 4 nights.
Right.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So like $55 a night.
I think that sounds about right. Yeah.
Oh, what a deal.
Yeah.
All right. It took us 12 hours to get here to this little beach bar.
Right.
Worth it! Yeah!